Most people open Claude, type one vague sentence, get a mediocre answer, and quietly decide AI is overrated. The problem isn't the AI, it's the setup and the ask. In this first phase, I'll fix both. You'll learn how to set up Claude so it actually works for you, and one prompt formula that instantly upgrades every single result you get. 10 minutes here makes the other 14 skills in this series twice as easy. Let's go. I'm Kingsley Aimufua, this is Catalyst Grid, and this is phase 1 of my complete Claude roadmap. 4 phases, 15 skills, 0 fluff. Today's 2 skills are the foundation everything else stands on: fundamentals and prompt engineering. Get these right and you're already ahead of most people using AI at work. Skill 1, fundamentals. Let's set you up properly. 6 quick habits. 1. One chat, one job. Start a new conversation for each distinct task. Claude remembers everything within a chat, so a focused chat gives sharper answers than one giant messy thread. 2. Lead with context. Don't open with, "Write me an email." Open with who you are, what you're doing, and what you need. Context is the difference between generic and useful. 3. Upload your files, drag in PDFs, docs, spreadsheets, images. Claude reads them directly, so instead of describing your report, just give it the report. 4. Turn on the right tools. Need current info? Switch on web search. Working with data or files? Enable code and file tools. The right tool on makes Claude far more capable. 5. Use projects for ongoing work. If you keep returning to the same thing, a client, a book, a product, a project keeps your files and instructions in one place so you're not re-explaining every time. 6. Set your preferences. Tell Claude once how you like responses, your tone, your format, your defaults. It stops you repeating yourself forever. That's it. Boring? Maybe. But this is the difference between fighting the tool and flying with it. I've put a template for a strong opening message in the description. It covers role, context, task, and format. Skill 2, prompt engineering, the highest leverage skill you'll ever learn with AI. Here's the whole game in one formula. I call it RCTF, role, context, task, format. Let's break down why this works. Role. Tell Claude who to be. You're a senior copywriter. It primes the right expertise. Context. The background. Who it's for. What's happened. Any constraints. Task. The specific thing you want, not help with my resume. Rewrite this bullet to emphasize impact and metrics. Format. How you want it back. Length, structure, tone, bullet points, or prose. Layer those 4 and quality jumps immediately, then 3 power-ups. 1. Show an example of what good looks like. Claude matches patterns fast. 2. Ask it to think step by step for anything complex. 3. Iterate. Make it shorter, more formal. Give me 3 versions. You're having a conversation, not casting a spell. One more pro move. If you're not sure how to ask, tell Claude, ask me questions until you have what you need, then do it. Let it interview you. I've put the RCTF template in the description for you to steal, and the official prompting guide is linked there too. 3 mistakes to avoid because they quietly wreck results. 1. Being vague. Make it better tells Claude nothing. Say how. 2. Dumping everything into one giant ask. Break big jobs into steps. 3. Giving up after one try. The first answer is a draft, not a verdict. The magic is almost always in the second and third message. That's phase 1. You've got a clean setup in the RCTF formula, which honestly puts you ahead of most professionals using AI right now. In phase 2, we go hands-on with the 6 everyday jobs Claude saves you hours on, though. Documents, email, research, data, content, and meetings. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Grab the prompt templates in the description and go run 1 RCTF prompt on something real today. I'm Kingsley Aimufua. See you in phase 2.